This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this small little rechargeable portable fan from the company. I think that's CONBOLA. Maybe that's what that is. And this is the X23 2-in-1 fan light. It's rechargeable battery, brushless motor, 270 degrees rotation on that. And it's got a noiseless operation. Well, you know what? I can hear it a little bit. I've already had this thing out and actually used it a little bit. You can see the overall sizing of this thing. It comes in, you can get it in orange, gray, black, army green, different types of colors there. I do like that feature. Let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like it's got a USB-C cable. We'll go ahead and take this cable out. Okay, it comes in that little plastic right there. We don't need that. A little set of instructions. You know what? There's a front protective panel, fan blade. It's basically, if you've ever worked a fan, I think you're going to be okay with this. I do like the fact how nice and quality this thing looks. This has a really good quality like look and feel to it. Feels solid, everybody. Look how tough it is to adjust. This is not one that's going to fall around on you right there. So it's got a clip right here on the bottom. This clip is completely rotatable, so 360 degrees. My other one does not turn like that. The fan blades are, it's got a 3-blade type design, has the logo in the middle. Nice little handle, you can hold it right there. To charge this thing, you're gonna plug it in, I think it's on the back, yeah. You're gonna plug it in right there, USB-C to charge it. But look at this, everybody, that is a USB-A coming out. And actually, let's test it real quick. While we got it here, I have my, let's try this battery right here. I've got my little set of batteries. Let's see if it'll actually, you know, work on these things. Does it work? Wow, it is working on that. Yeah, these are already charged, so it might not like show a charge on them, but yeah, you can see right there. That middle one doesn't work. Wow, it does. So that could charge your cell phone, any type of like batteries or something like that. Very handy on that. So you've got a battery bank, you got a power bank with it. And it actually gives you 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% shows you the charge on the battery. There's the light. You can see the overall lights, 1, 2, 3, and then it's off. Let me turn off all of the lights in here and let's run just this and see how bright that little light is. Okay, we don't have much light in here, but let's try this out. There it is. That's actually a pretty bright little light. Look at that. When it's on high, that would be great for camping, everybody. That is so cool looking. 1, 2, 3, 4. It really is. It's not that loud. Let me put it up to the mic. It's actually not that loud. Let's turn the lights back on and let's take a look at this blade while it's spinning. The number one use that I got this for is I do a lot of van camping and I just hang it up in my van just like this, and it just hangs there on my handle, and I have my door open and I'll be working on my laptop or kind of doing whatever, maybe even taking a quick nap or even camping at night. Sometimes I sleep with my door open, or I hang it by the door with the window down slightly, so that way I get ventilation of air coming through. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the CONBOLA battery powered fan. See y'all in the next video.